Leet code 26. Remove duplicates from sorted array. Given an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order, so ascending order, remove the duplicates in place such that each unique element appears only once. The relative order of the elements should be kept the same. Then return the number of unique elements in nums. Consider the number of unique elements of nums to be k to get accepted. You need to do the following things. Change the array nums such that the first k elements of nums contains the unique elements in the order they were present in nums initially. As well as the size of nums. Return k. Nums from -100 to 100. Constraints. Nums length of 1, at least minimum 1. Okay. If there's no nums, we can return 0. Otherwise, we have an index for the non-unique, and we'll have to loop through this. So that goes 0, less the nums length, that plus. So we have if nums I we want to check the previous one like so. We don't want to check ahead. If nums I is not equal to nums I minus 1, then nums of index equal nums I. Alright, and then we'll increase the index. And then we can return the index. Let's see. I equals I less the nums dot length. Oh. Fantastic. There we go. Awesome. And then we can do the same in Python. And nums, and we want to start out 1. If nums I minus 1, nums index equals nums I, and then index plus equals 1, return index. Yeah, we could submit that. 28%, what the hell? Dang. Must be a better solution, Python. Alright, simple problem. Easy. Remove sorted. Remove duplicates.